In this video, I'll show you how to map fields in Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Open Advanced Setup to access the Salesforce administration settings. Next, go to Object Manager and find the object whose fields you want to map. For this tutorial, we'll use the lead object as an example, but you can choose any supported object as needed. The process remains the same. After opening the lead object, navigate to Fields and Relationships, then click on the Map Lead Fields button located in the top right corner of the page. On the field mapping page, you can map lead fields to account fields, contact fields, or opportunity fields. Simply choose the destination object and configure the field mappings according to your requirements. Once you've finished mapping the fields, review your selections and click Save to apply the changes. And that's how you can map fields in Salesforce CRM.